It takes 10 minutes to hard boil a dozen eggs, and there are no further steps. I'm going to show you my method. To make hard-boiled eggs, I use this steamer that I got from the thrift store. You can find them everywhere. And a pot with a couple inches of water. Turn the stove on high to get your water boiling. While my water is warming up, I'll put my eggs in the steamer. When you have a hard boil, put your eggs in, cover them, and set your timer for 10 minutes. Once your 10 minutes are up, cut the power. And put your eggs straight into the fridge. To peel a hard-boiled egg, crack it on one end, crack the other, and then crack the side. And that's it. That's absolutely perfect. That's as good as you can get. 10 minutes in the steamer. Healthy food is cheaper than junk food. My mission is to prove it and get you eating healthy. I'm Mike, this is Murphy, and this is the Vegetable Chopping Channel.